Good morning. The Indian indices on Thursday saw an upward movement with Sensex by 407 points at 18,312 and Nifty by 105 points at 5,408 points. The rupee closed at 64.55 per dollar and the value of gold is 31,140 rupees per 10 grams. The finance minister said that the rupee is undervalued from its perceived reasonable level and that the government has no particular target level for the currency. The finance minister said that India's gross GDP is likely to pick up from July to September quarter. RBI reviewed its guidelines on credit default swaps and interest rate swap with a view to increase participation in the market. India's current account gap is seen widening in April to June of the current financial year and may continue to remain above sustainable levels. The RBI said that the government's decision to allow Coal India to import coal on a cost plus basis could put pressure on the prices of electricity. RBI said it would be difficult for the government to contain food subsidies with the budgeted amount in 2013-14. The mutual fund industry yesterday saw major buying as the equity market ended up after 4 consecutive days of incurring losses. Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services will replace Sterlite Industries on the S&P BSE 100 and the S&P BSE Carbon Next indices from Tuesday. The US major Walmart is in talks with the Bharti Group to exit their 6-year-old joint venture in cash and carry wholesale business. Many companies including Essar Steel, Bhushan Steel, Kalyani Steel are mulling their prices by 1000 to 1500 points up per ton from September 1st to pass on their higher input costs. The Reliance Group head Anil Ambani denied any knowledge of the Swan Telecom, a company accused of securing 2G license as a front company of Reliance Telecom. The financial technologies arm NSCL has so far collected just 4 million rupees of dues against the requirement of 1.74 billion rupees for the second weekly payout on Tuesday and has received no money till Thursday. The income tax department has conducted searches on business premises of 24 members of the NSCL in various cities. The HDFC has hiked its retail prime lending rate against which all floating rate loans are benchmarked by 25 basis points to 10.25%. And ICICI Bank will increase base rate by 25 BSPs to 10% effective from Friday. Reliance Industries, the government wants to conclusively end the controversy over the company's KG-D6 field and is planning to appoint an independent consultant to check if the company has hoarded natural gas. The company has said it may not participate in future exploration and production ventures in India, where the global stocks markets are concerned. The US indices ended higher on Thursday, erasing previous session's losses, aided by positive economic data, and the Asian indices rose, tracking gains in the US equities, with Japan's Nikkei surging over 2% as the yen weakened against the dollars. Fitch Ratings said that the ongoing sharp depreciation of the rupee does not call for rating action at this point. The Indian markets look positive today from the short covering and the pullback for the oversold zone. Thank you.